Yeah, what? So this boat's gone through a huge storm, braved rough seas, a tidal wave, and snapping turtles to see a whale who lies there eating corn chips.
It would seem so.
Well, I guess we'll sail back for now. Aww.
Yeah, kids, look, how about I put a show about whales on the TV?
Yeah! TV!
It's gonna
There's
be
a
done.
Oh, no argument here.
tornado a few days ago.
I'm sorry the
Didn't hit us, luckily, but and I think there was a tornado watch today and tornado warning down in the same place that was a few days ago.
They stay with them all the way back to the colder waters.
Gee, those whales sure are good mums. You can't help but admire that motherly bond.
Dad, we're not on TV.
There's nothing a whale mom wouldn't do for her children.
That whale's more jumpy than the one we saw.
They teach their young how to
This way, customer. That was amazing. It's not only that. Oh, are you sure? We'll have to live on this desert island. Oh, wow, okay.
Wait, you're gonna live there all by yourself?
Yes.
So you're
Luckily it
a
didn't
whale
hit,
or
so
bird engine?
I've had enough whales.